Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews.
Today, we're diving into the Seadoo 4 TEC Oil Change Kit, your ultimate solution for maintaining peak performance in your Seadoo water scooter. This kit is hands down the best Seadoo oil available on the market today. It's designed to cater specifically to Seadoo's 4 TEC models, covering a wide range from 130 HP all the way up to 260 HP. Whether you're riding a GTI, GTX, RXP, RXT, or any of their supercharged variants, this kit has you covered. A generous 7-liter oil extractor pump, upgraded for 2020, which makes oil changes faster and easier than ever before. Premium 4T10W40 oil, perfectly formulated for Seadoo's supercharged motors, ensuring optimal lubrication and performance.
Now, what sets this kit apart? Firstly, the upgraded oil extractor pump is a game-changer, making oil extraction a breeze. The 4T10W40 oil is not only compatible but optimized for Seadoo's supercharged engines, offering superior protection and longevity. The encased spark plugs are top-notch, ensuring reliable ignition every time.
And those O-rings? They ensure that your oil system remains leak-free and secure.
Installing this kit is straightforward, even for those new to DIY maintenance. Simply follow the included instructions, and you'll have your Seadoo ready to hit the water in no time. Regular oil changes with this kit will help extend the life of your engine and maintain its performance peak. So, why should you choose the Seadoo 4 TEC Oil Change Kit? It's not just about the comprehensive contents,
but the quality and compatibility tailored specifically for Seadoo water scooters. Whether you're an avid rider or maintain a fleet of Seadoos, this kit simplifies maintenance and ensures your engine stays in top condition. In conclusion, if you're serious about keeping your Seadoo performing at its best, look no further than the Seadoo 4 TEC Oil Change Kit. It's a complete package designed for convenience, reliability, and optimal engine health. Don't settle for anything less when it comes to maintaining your investment.
That wraps up our review today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful,
don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this, and leave us a comment below. Until next time, ride safe and see you on the water.